The brilliant light of the morning sunrise melts away the darkness and instills life into the world. It evokes vitalization and new opportunity. It wakes up and warms the faces of the living. The sunrise is the beginning of the day, the beginning of life. Because of this, it is the namesake of our flagship product.
At Kyani, we set out to create products that bring life to those around us. That means to create the extraordinary, products that are in a class all by themselves. And that's what we did when we first created Sunrise. You can see how special Kyani's products are based upon the countless testimonials that pour in from around the world. All of them are talking about improved health and quality of life. We really love hearing these stories because Kyani's all about enhancing people's lives and helping them experience more. Sunrise has helped us do just that.
We formulated Kyani Sunrise to be a powerful antioxidant and a vitamin supplement, something we can ingest every day to help protect against free radical cell damage and promote the overall health of the body's vital systems. Sunrise has been very successful in this way. However, we cannot allow ourselves to ignore the newest information and scientific developments in dietary nutrition. We must push forward and find ways in which to improve our products, even those as good as Sunrise.
At Kyani, we are about constant and rigorous improvement. For the past several years, we've been working on taking Kyani Sunrise to the next level. We wanted to make it the best formula ever. In this new formulation, we have increased the antioxidant power and essential vitamin content of Sunrise. We believe that these improvements will have a real and tangible impact on people's health and the way they feel, having the same restorative and invigorating qualities of a rising sun. Consequently, this will also empower our distributors with a unique and compelling product upon which they can build and expand their Kyani business. It couldn't be a better opportunity. This new formulation of Sunrise is exciting. We're going from 13 to 22 active ingredients. What's interesting about these superfruits is that their antioxidant power often comes from their pigment and color. Imagine taking the most vibrant colors from the most potent superfruits from around the world and combining them into one veritable spectrum. That's what Sunrise is, a complete and balanced nutritional supplement. The wild Alaskan blueberry is the king of fruits and is still the key ingredient in Kyani Sunrise. For thousands of years, this superfruit has evolved in the harsh and demanding environment of Alaska to become the premier antioxidant powerhouse, having at least 5 times the antioxidant potency of the common blueberry.
Kyani Sunrise now contains more wild Alaskan blueberry and has more than twice the antioxidant potency. Sunrise now also contains green tea extract, a potent antioxidant used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years for its health benefits. Acai berry, a unique berry from the Amazon with potent antioxidant properties. Maqui berry, used to support heart health and one of the most bountiful sources of anthocyanin antioxidants. Mangosteen fruit, known for its potent xanthoid content and polyphenol antioxidants. Panax ginseng root, an esteemed herb that provides energy and stamina. Ashwagandha, a traditional Ayurvedic herb that supports virility and vitality. It's one of the most potent adaptogens, helping the body to handle stress and fight free radicals. Ashwagandha improves stamina, endurance, and recovery for athletes. Amla extract, an Ayurvedic herb used to support rejuvenation, stamina, and longevity. It's one of the highest sources of natural vitamin C. We have also fortified Sunrise with zinc, ocean trace minerals, spinach, kale, and broccoli for additional nutrition. These advancements in the formula for Kyani Sunrise make it more comprehensive and effective supplement that will have a tangible, positive impact on one's health and well-being.